Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for November 15, 2018. Today we're looking at the EURUSD, the euro, versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. We're looking here at the daily time frame. First, to point out the trend. The trend has been bearish. It's been a downtrend. The black trend line, the most recent midterm trend, as you can see going all the way back here to the top of the black trend line, is September 24th, so almost 2 months now. We've seen this currency pair mostly in a downtrend, so let's not forget about that. We are still in a downtrend. While there is some expectation that we've been at a multi-month low and there could be some rebound retracement, it's just not happening yet. And so until I see evidence of reversal, I'm going to continue to focus on the direction of the trend. And so far within the pattern of this trend since September, we've seen a couple of times where the market rebounded a little bit and fell back down, made a new low, rebounded a little bit, fell back down, made a new low. So we're in the midst, or in the part of that rebound phase where the market's coming back up into what is now resistance. Look at the green shaded area down here at the bottom of the chart. 2 times right around 1.131035 we found support. I have them circled with green circles, so it makes it easy to see. Might have thought that was going to be a double bottom and a complete reversal for the euro, but look at this, the market fooling everybody and making a new low underneath that double bottom there. So very interesting here for the euro. The overall trend still is down, and we haven't really seen good reasonable expectation that the trend has changed and going to go up. I really think that we'd have to break the blue zone, maybe even this pink zone, and get above that last high before we could even begin to consider this a reversal for the euro dollar. Zooming out one more time, and again longer even, we can see that this currency pair has been in a downtrend for quite a long time. So until I see further evidence of change, without rumor or hearsay or something I've read on the internet, until I see evidence of trend change, I must assume that the trend is still down here for the euro dollar. All it's going to take is for us to get some news. We have news coming up in about 45 minutes from the recording of this video, some good positive data, and we see this take another tumble back down, maybe even as far down into the 112 low. I believe there is reasonable expectation that we see it go down into the 111s, the 618 fib of a larger trend range. If I zoom it out again, and let's go out this far, the red trend line over here on the left, bottom to top of that red trend line, puts the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level at 1.1186. We have not been down there yet. We haven't touched that 618 fib of the red trend line yet. Came very close, but hasn't touched it. So if you think about that Fibonacci of the red trend line on the left, 618, 111.86, then you zoom it back in again, and you squeeze it down a bit, and you can see we still have some ways to go before we reach down there. So I think that's a decent target for us to shoot for on any shorts in the direction of the trend. We see the market holding under the green zone today. Again, we see historically that green zone as support here, and that's offering us a clue to resistance yesterday and today, 113.10, 113.35. So for the day today, watch our news, definitely. Keep an eye on positive data for the U.S., holding resistance here, challenging the orange zone. Under the orange zone, we look for the new low, possibly down to that 618 fib from the weekly or daily time frame. The risk is it breaks above the green shaded area, 113.35, and goes back to the blue zone, and that becomes our next potential resistance, even still within the direction of this long-term or mid-term downtrend along that black trend line. So let's not get too excited about the upside quite yet here for the euro until we see further evidence of reversal. I'm looking for shorts into the green zone, into the blue zone, targeting the orange zone, or lower down to that 618 fib into the 111s for the euro dollar.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.